I have paid 93 lakhs. The amount that is to be paid is for my daughter's education. I have paid for my daughter's education 76 lakhs. Your Lordship will be able to see that I have not only satisfied not just the arrangement that I had with my wife, but also have gone far and beyond.
The educational expenses are not covered by the order.
My son does not go to school.
Why?
Because he resides with the petitioner and she does not send him to school.
Because of the parental discord, he dropped out. He got into certain habits and he has dropped out. He's undergoing psychological treatment.
She seeks 45,000 rupees as conveyance to take him to school when he does not go to school.
But he was studying.
Now she stays in my house. She earns 45,000 to 48,000 rupees by her own affidavit as a teacher. But she does not send my son to school. Every single expense of my son, if he goes out, he texts me and says, please pay, Papa, please pay. I pay on UPI from wherever in the world I am.
Apart from educational expenses, I'm asking for enhancement.
Adun Govindraj,
I hear for the respondent husband in this case.
Yes.
I've been served with copies of 2 applications by the petitioner for perjury and for summoning of documents. I am seeking an accommodation to get instructions and to file my objections.
21/8 time was sought. Daughter studying in the UK. But if your Lordship will kindly, the father before the court below makes a submission that I will
Let's see where is the impugned order.
Impugned order,
Come,
page number 66, page number 65.
Yes.
I may not have much objection against what order is passed.
Registered judicial shall communicate this order to the court with a copy of the order. Yes.
But page 72, if your Lordship will kindly see paragraph 10.
No, what is the order now?
Maintenance, 55,000 rupees per month has been awarded to the wife. And though the court records at paragraph number 10 that the husband has stated that he's taking care of all the entire educational expenses of both the children and he will continue to do it, that does not find a mention in the operative portion of the order.
Let's see that. Where is the mention?
Paragraph number 10, page 72. May I read? The respondent states that apart from the educational expenses of the children to be borne by him, he has other liabilities of payment of loan, so and so. The respondent has produced the hospital bills, residential statement of his daughter, school fee receipts of his son, bank statement, education loan statement. All those documents at this juncture indicate that the educational fee of both the children, loan installments are borne by the respondent, and even the expenses towards the treatment of the mother of the respondent as well. Operative portion at page number 74. IA1 filed by the petitioner under section 36 of the Special Marriage Act is allowed to the extent that the respondent is ordered to pay the petitioner interim maintenance of 55,000 rupees per month from the date of petition, that is 1/2/2023.
Subject to observation made at para 12.
Para 12 is...
No, that is...
Para 10 it should have.
10 it should have been para 10. There is nothing in para 12.
And the other thing, he has suppressed 2 accounts he has that I will file perjury proceedings before the family, before the court. I have filed it over here.
My lord, there are 2 children to this marriage. The first is a daughter. She's studying in the UK. She is now in her final year of her studies. Towards the daughter's education itself, I have paid a sum of more than 75 lakh rupees. Now, these applications that have been filed now by the petitioner, coming fast and furious, come on the heels of the statement of account that I have filed before the family before the. No. I have paid 93 lakhs towards them.
No. We'll not go into the accounts and other details.
Not accounts. I have paid 93 lakhs. The amount that is to be paid is for my daughter's education. I have paid for my daughter's education 76 lakhs. As soon as I filed the statement before the trial court, these applications for perjury and for summoning of documents arise. Which is why I will bring it to your Lordship's attention. I will file these documents before your Lordship. Your Lordship will be able to see that I have not only satisfied not just the arrangement that I had with my wife, but also have gone far and beyond. Your Lordship will see that she also, in this very same order, kindly turn to paragraph number 9. She earns a salary of 45,000 rupees.
What is that you want in this order?
55. The educational expenses are not covered by the order.
So
my son doesn't go to school. He doesn't go to school.
Whatever the expenses of the children, educational expenses, if the father, as is undertaken before the trial court, if he undertakes to pay.
What we do is, we'll not go into any other aspect. You have not questioned this order of the family court.
Not yet, my lord, because my client is not in country.
1 year,
that is wrong. No, here it is subject to observations and made in para number 10.
1 year, my learned friend says 1 year. I've been served only in 5/8.
What you are served?
A copy of this writ petition has been served only on
Forget about
Friday.
the copy of the petition, this order.
Yes,
It
madam.
is about instead of saying made in para 10 above. Instead of that, the court said para 12 and above. That's the only clarification we'll give in this.
No, my lord. First of all, the clarification that they want is that they want me to continue to pay for my children's education. My daughter's education is already paid for. My son does not go to school
Why?
because he resides with the petitioner and she does not send him to school.
What is the age of the
But
petitioner?
17.
No, he's 16-year-old boy.
The 17-year-old boy does not go to school.
Because of the parental discord, he dropped out. He got into certain habits and he has dropped out. He's undergoing psychological treatment.
No. There is no problem with the child. He does not go to school. She is seeking in her statement, in her application before the trial court, she seeks 45,000 rupees as conveyance to take him to school when he does not go to school.
But he was studying.
Now she has been awarded 55,000 rupees a month. She stays in my house. She earns 45,000 to 48,000 rupees by her own affidavit as a teacher. But she does not send my son to school. Every single expense of my son, if he goes out, he texts me and says, "Please pay, Papa, please pay." I pay on UPI from wherever in the world I am. Now there is no expense that she is incurring. That there is no reason to even increase this 55,000 to any amount. I will place that information before your lordship. Till today, I have not shirked. I have paid more than 93 lakh rupees for their education.
So you are saying that the daughter's fees are due.
All paid. She is studying in the United Kingdom. She wants to be a policewoman in the United Kingdom. I have my arms were twisted by the petitioner. I was forced into paying for that sort of an education. 76 lakh rupees has been paid. That as soon as I bring that to the knowledge of the trial court, these applications follow. I will place it before your lordship. Your lordship will be able to see very clearly what this is all about.
Yes, Mr.
Lord, I am not asking for enhancement. I think my learned friend has not heard
He
me.
says it's already paid.
Not paid, my lord. 17. I have borrowed money from my father to pay the last installment 2 months ago. Let him file an
All the
affidavit
vouchers
that
are
he's paid.
here. All the vouchers are here.
17 lakhs, my lord, is the maintenance due as of today. Order was passed on 23rd of August.
Not maintenance.
Even the
Educational
not paid, my lord. My father has paid.
I have produced the bank statements to them.
Ask him to file an affidavit.
Not about.
I will file the affidavit.
According to the land counsel for the petitioner, the father has not paid the last installment of the school fees. College fees amounting an amount of rupees 17 lakhs.
That is not the writ petition at all.
You have to pay the medical expenses.
Educational
expenses.
No, that's not the writ petition at all. They're asking for enhancement of their of the 55,000 rupees. That is the prayer in the writ petition.
Not educational. Apart from educational expenses, I'm asking for enhancement. I'm making a submission.
He is
to your
asking to
lordship.
set aside the order of the trial court and for this court to grant him what he sought in that application. That is his prayer.
Which includes educational expenses. My learned friend has made a submission before your lordship today.
What are your grounds? Let's see the grounds.
Yes.
Page 8. She admittedly has an income, paragraph 9, of 4,23,800.
Let's see the grounds.
Para 13.
His grounds.
The
Para
minus-
13.
Para 9.
Paragraph 13 at page 9. Minor son school fee is about 73,000 rupees.
And
He's
he's
doing,
not going
But he doesn't go to school.
he's doing national NIOS. He's doing his 10th standard now. That's why I said 73,000 rupees per annum. Daughter's educational expenses would come to 26,75,000 rupees per annum. Failure to make the above payment could result in the loss of their seat in the educational institution. My lord, this is all. My lord, though I have asked for enhancement,
Get instructions only as far as this aspect is.
educational expenses.
I have already filed those papers. I will file them if my party is in Turkey. For him to get an affidavit is difficult. I will file it with a memo. I will get instructions.
Land counsel for the petitioners of this, the college fees of an amount of rupees 17 lakhs is due according to the
No,
respondent.
I have paid, not through my father is paid.
Is paid by the mother with the help of her father, borrowing the money from her father. According to the respondent father, he has been taking care of the educational expenses and so far he has paid 75 lakhs.
Yes.
He has paid 75 lakhs and by the next date of hearing, he'll get specific instructions with regard to the 17 lakhs that is paid by the wife. This is matter on Wednesday.
My lord, I won't be able to file an affidavit on that date.
No affidavit, I said, get instructions.
I'll get instructions.
24/9.
And
For
the
admission.
maintenance is not 17 lakhs is the arrears due, my lord, not
There
paid.
is more than enough has been paid, my lord. I will place
File
it.
the
Very- I will-
execution.
very-
The execution, yes.
Bill number 10 for admission matters.
It is,
taken up by
my lord,
SP.
on that very point, it is being heard tomorrow in the civil, before the civil judge. So there, every time I come up before the civil judge and I make a submission and I justify how we have paid it, these applications follow.